Ellie did that.
What's up, guys? Good news and bad news for you. We had to close down the shop because of COVID-19, but that'll leave us time for some other exciting things we gotta try on this channel. And today we're gonna do one of these things. But today's video is gonna be, I don't know, an experiment, you could say, because wait for it. We're gonna two-step my car. Yeah.
Oh my God! Wow!
Not just my car, my truck. We're gonna two-step my truck and try to make it backfire. I can't wait to show you. Let's get it. We just received our package to Lambda. Yeah, Lambda right here. And this little thing right here, cost me $1,000. Shipping fee included and everything. Anyway, we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna see what's in there. I wanted to mention something. I'm in my house right now, not in the garage, because we had to close it down for legal purposes. And yeah, so we're not going to be in the garage for another month or so. So we're going to try to focus on tuning. We're going to get the truck done. Also, I want to mention something funny about the other video. In the middle part of the exhaust, like 4 days ago, I took a huge bump and it just broke one part of it. So first thing we do in the garage is we're gonna stick weld it instead of MIG weld it. It's gonna have a better, well, the bond is gonna be better, so I hope it will last longer. Anyway. We'll see you when everything is downloaded and I'm ready to tune. Alright guys, so what it needed internet to be able to download this particular ECM. I don't know why. Jeep and Dodge, that's what's up. So anyway, I got there, got internet, downloaded everything. Everything works perfectly. I even did a run around the block just to see how it's my truck's behaving, and it's running rich. When I'm telling you rich, is like Bill Gates rich. It's really rich. Anyway, it's running about like 25% more fuel than it should.
That just makes no fucking sense. I mean, it's just bullshit.
So I'm not gonna try to figure this out yet. I'm gonna try to get the cutoff first, so the two-step, and we'll see you when the tune is done, I guess. All right, guys. So I'm done tuning. I finished my tune. If you want to come and see. Usually, what you would do with a two-step tune is engine RPM and airflow, which comes from the MAF sensor. But there's no MAF sensor on my engine. There's only a MAP sensor, so I got to work with that. I hope it works, hopefully. So what I did is, because it's an older model, you can't just change the spark and fuel. You got to use what you have. And what I had is EGR off and on. So I know that EGR is most of the time off, or I don't know, don't quote me on that, off on idle, and on when the car is running. All right, guys, we're ready to put everything in the car. I just wanted to mention another thing. With the two-step tune, I actually deleted skip shifting. So skip shifting, I read about it, and it's like the car automatically puts you from first to fourth, right? It locks all of the other gears when you're going too fast, or anyway, I just removed it. I read on some website that it's better to remove it, and yeah, so I just added that to the tune too, and yeah, we're ready. Right now it's downloading. It's at 15%, and there's 2 minutes left, approximately 3 minutes, and I'm a little anxious right now. Maybe I destroyed my computer, maybe I didn't, so we'll see what happened. Hopefully it worked, hopefully, and yeah, I'm a little stressed. A little stressed. Also, guys, I wanted to tell you something. Once you license a vehicle, it's always licensed, so any other further change I make isn't going to cost anything. Alright, guys, pretty happy it didn't blow up. I was expecting, of course, that it didn't blow up.
Are you sure about that?
But just a little stress out the window. So I'm gonna rev it and see if it stops at 2,000. I don't know if the EGR maybe is supposed to be off right now because I'm not doing anything. But I'm gonna try it. Woo! All right. Alright, it works. So it's some form of two-step, but it works. You want to go outside and check it out? Alright. Alright, guys, well, it's a kind of a success. I might tweak some things, like put it at a higher RPM, because it's a little too low for the first two-step, for the first step of the two-step. And also, I'm gonna show you if it works, the second step works. So driving speed, I put it 4,800. So we'll see if it works too. All right, guys, for the two-step, all right, just look. When I go above 90, Alright, so the first step of the two-step works, so it hits 2,000 RPM around that. I'm get the number a little bit more up, like at 2,400. So it works at first, but the second step, when I'm on drive, it still stops at 2,000 RPM. So it doesn't go all the way up to 4,800 like I programmed it to. But I programmed it with the EGR. So my two hypotheses is either my programming is trash, or my EGR on my car doesn't work, and that wouldn't surprise me at all. It might not work, and what I might do is first fix it when the garage opens up again, and I can go there. So fix my EGR and try it after, and if it doesn't work, what I'm gonna do is a link like a switch on the EGR cable, and just turn it off when I want the low rev step to happen, and turn it back on when I want the normal rev limiter to happen. That's probably what I'm gonna do. Anyway, guys, that's about it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in, and hope you enjoyed. However short it was, because we didn't have all the resources, the garage and everything. But yeah, man, see you in the next video. Yeah.
Ooh, Ellie did that.